Hey learners, welcome to Ahmad Coaching and I'm your teacher Dr. Anam. Today we will study about land adaptations of fungi. Fungi, they are the successful group of land organisms. They not only grow on the moist habitat, but they can also be found wherever the organic matter is present. You can see the growth of fungi even in your fridge where the temperature is very low. So that's why we call the fungi the most successful group of land organisms. They possess several important features that allow them to adapt to the terrestrial mode of life. Now, the question is how they can survive the land environment. Why? Because they have some special characteristics. The special characteristics include that they have fast spreading hyphae, they have temperature tolerance, they have rhizoids, they have special type of reproductions, they have chitin, they are decomposers, and they have cytoplasmic flow. So let's talk about each characteristic one by one. First of all, fast spreading hyphae. The extensive system of hyphae penetrate the substrate and increase the contact and surface area for absorption. For example, if a fungi is growing in a soil, it can move deeply into the soil in search of nutrients because its hyphae, it can penetrate very deep and very quickly because the hyphae is very thin, so it can easily move between the soil particles, and because of this reason it can absorb maximum amount of nutrients and can survive any environment. Then comes the temperature. They can tolerate high temperature, that is 50 degrees Celsius or more, as well as they can tolerate very low temperature, that is -5 degrees Celsius. That is why they can grow in the refrigerators while the bacteria, it cannot grow. That is why the fungi, you can say, it is very stubborn and it is very difficult to get rid of it. Then comes the rhizoids. The rhizoids are the modified hyphae. They anchor the fungus to the substrate and also help in the digestion and absorption. Here you can see this extensive network is actually rhizoid hyphae, and because of this it can sustain at any place. The hyphae or the rhizoids, they are acting just like the roots in the tree. The roots, they are helping the tree to sustain or to remain at one place firmly. Similarly, the hyphae or the rhizoids, they are helping the fungi to stay at one place as well as digest the organic material, absorb the nutrients and grow. Then comes the reproduction. The fungi, they produce non-motile lightweight spores and conidia with thick wall zygote as well as resistant structure, and because of these modifications they can grow, they can survive for a longer period of time. For example, if the spores, they are landed on a particular place where the environment is not good, the spore is so stubborn that they are going to wait until the environment is suitable, and when they will have the suitable environment, they are going to grow and they are going to make a new fungus because they have resistant structures. The modified hyphae enable them to reproduce without water because they are going to spread their spores by the help of wind. So the spores, they can move anywhere, they don't need water. Another modification is chitin. The chitin is a material which is present in the hyphal walls. Here you can see this is chitin which is present in the walls of the hyphae or the cell wall. This material is more resistant to decay than the cellulose and lignin which are present in the tree. So in comparison to the tree, the chitin is more resistant to decay and it can sustain or survive a particular environment. The fungi, they are the decomposers. Decomposers mean that they are going to secrete the enzymes and they are going to degrade various plant components and then going to utilize them for their own growth. For example, they are going to degrade the cellulose, they are going to degrade the lignin, and the end products, which may be glucose, which it will be used by the fungi for their growth. So you can see that on the fruits, the white material, for example on oranges, you can see the growth of fungi because there they are going to work as the decomposers. The last Land modification of fungi is cytoplasmic flow, which is responsible for their rapid growth and speed. Because the cytoplasm, it can flow very smoothly or very easily. Because of this, it is going to take all the nutrients with it, and the nutrients which was produced here can easily move to the other parts of the hyphae, and because of this reason the hyphae, it can grow very quickly. So these are the land adaptations of fungi, making them a successful group of land organisms. If you have any question related to this topic, you can ask me in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.